us analyze two dice problem. Remember, die singular, dice plural. So how do we go about it? We have the question, it says two fair dice are thrown once. We should find the probability of obtaining a total score of 8, and then secondly, less than 7. Without wasting much of our time, picture the table, how to generate the table for a two die. That is the first step to take. And then with that, you have a clear picture of what you are looking for. I did that in previous video. I'll simply run through it quickly in this section. So shown on the board are the outcomes for two dice, making a total outcome to be the outcomes sample space 36, as we stated earlier. Now the question, once you are able to generate this table, you have the problem half solved. So you can start answering the question. It says a total score of 8. So what it means, I'm going to say probability of having total score of 8 will simply be, so we go through numbers that will add up to give us 8. So there is none on this side. On this side we have 6, 2, because 6 plus 2 is an 8. So total score gives us an 8 here. On the third column we have 5 and 3. 5 plus 3 gives us a total of 8. None again. On the fourth column we have 4 and 4. So 4 and 4, 4, gives us 8. The fifth column we have 3 and 5. 3 and 5 gives us 8. 3 and 5 gives us 8. And then on the sixth column we have 2 and 6. 2 and 6 when added gives us an 8. So let's cross-check to confirm we are in order. Always ensure you cross-check accurately to get accurate results. 5 and 3, we have 4 and 4, we have 3 and 5, and then we have 2 and 6. At the end of the day, we have been able to obtain a total score of 8, which makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that makes our result to be 5 out of a total of 36 outcomes. So probability of obtaining the total score of 8 is 5 over 36. Secondly, the second part of the question, it says probability of obtaining a number less than 7. The total score that is less than 7. Let's make use of what we have on the board. A total score that is less than 7. So probability of obtaining total score less than 7, I'm using the symbol less than 7. That means two numbers added together that will be less than 7. The probability of a total score less than 7 will simply give us, let's count, we have 1, 2, 3, we are starting from the first row, less than 7. When I add these two, it's less than 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we have roughly 15. The 15 combinations are less than 7. We count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So all these pairs, they are less than 7 when added together. So 15 less than 7, we have 15 out of 36. 3 can go. 3 in 15, that gives us a 5. 3 in 36, that gives us a 12. So the total score obtaining the probability or a total score less than 7 gives us 5 over 12. This is how to analyze two dice problem. I'm sure we got value from this video. Please like my videos, share and subscribe for more persons to see. See you for more videos. Bye for now.